at Rotary Shed Campsite. Now the sun is rising, so I've got my all-power 60-watt solar charger charging, and I'm charging my Voltaic 70-watt-hour battery. I've charged all my GoPro batteries, I've charged my phone, and I've charged my Canon, so they're all charged at the moment. And I've been doing a fair bit of photography and stuff like that. But it works pretty well. It's 1.3 kilos, it's 60 watts. Heading back up onto the plateau. Already been doing a lot of climbing. Back up to where I did the time lapse yesterday evening. It's up this steep hill, and then I'll be back to there and then onwards towards the headwaters of Carnarvon Creek, which becomes Carnarvon Gorge. My discs are rubbing a little bit on the brakes, on the calipers or whatever they're called. You'd want to enjoy climbing, which I do. I like climbing. It's one of my specialities on a bike and running. Same as my brother. He won the Empire State Building run-up twice. I did the Simpson Desert first and the Canning Stock route. Yes, that was my brother. We used to cycle together when we were young. That's it there. That's the head of Carnarvon Creek that turns into Carnarvon Gorge. We'll see Carnarvon Gorge in another few days. Once we finish this bicycle tour, we'll go for a walk there. Oh, I'm going to go check out this trail and see where it actually leads. I'm trying to find out on my map, but it's taking a long time for my GPS to work. A very long time. You can see that there. There's water there, and they must be able to set it for a trap, so when pigs go in there they get caught. It's going to get wet. How boggy is it? How deep is it? Oh, it looks pretty deep. Oh, no point in getting wet feet. The trap wouldn't work at the moment, and there's that much water in the creek. It's nice fern forest to cycle through. As long as I don't come across any wild boars that are angry. Oh, got a stick. Keep crisscrossing the Great Walks track. West Branch Walkers Camp, that's where I've got to camp tonight. Anyway, I've got to go back on the bike a different way. 17 kilometres. But this track keeps crossing it, the Great Walks track. See? So maybe you could have a mountain bike trail in here also marked. It's not official, it just says no motorised vehicles. So there should be the mountain bike section of Carnarvon Gorge. Few trees down. That's it. another pen I can see up ahead. They've got for trapping pigs. They must have trapped a fair few. Look at it. It's definitely been in there. I don't know how it operates, but I'm not going to try and go in there just in case it's... I wonder if it's functional at the moment. Creeks are flowing. Fair bit of water about. Central Queensland. Following pig trails, basically. That's how many trails they've made up here. They're mountain bike trails, basically. They clear the path pretty well. Shows there's been a lot of them, doesn't it? Now this is exploring, following a pig trail. It's a big herd of cattle. Quite a few in that herd. I wasn't expecting to see a herd that large in the national park. Not sure how many was in it, maybe 20 cattle. And you can see they all had bulls and stuff like that, so yeah, they've been here for a while roaming. And once you're on the plateau up there, it's not that steep. There's a little few sections up and down, but all this is relatively easy, really. There's a fair bit of wildlife out here. Just got to watch out for the wild cattle, maybe. But they all seem to be pretty scared of humans. They took off pretty quickly. More scared of the wild boars. The cattle have learnt to run. I think they've all learnt to run around. Maybe we follow this creek down. It's amazing. Pretty spectacular. It just looks really amazing, this little valley here. It's green with big wide trees and heaps of ferns everywhere. Really beautiful. They must be working because I hadn't seen any. They must catch them in there. They definitely obviously caught a lot. There's lots of traps about, that's for sure. That's as far as I'm going. I presume the track goes through, but it probably comes out on private property. Yep, well, I've come down this track about 15 kilometres. So I better get going back. It's 1:30. See, it's rocky in some bits. This is where I saw the cattle before. That's a biggie. Just saw two wild boars back there. One was medium sized, the other was quite large. No wonder there's an abundance of wildlife at the moment with all the creeks flowing. Because last time I was here it was very dry. Bit of climbing, a bit further to go than I thought. Looked at it, still probably 5k. I did go about 15 down, I suppose. Takes a little while on these rough tracks. To the gate at last. Later than I expected. Just saw a whole lot of wild brumbies. I was a little bit scared there. They were going to charge at one stage, which is never much fun when you're by yourself just on a bicycle. Gets the adrenaline going. Wild brumbies, wild pigs, wild cattle. Wild kangaroos, wild dogs, it's all out here. Better get back. Campsite, still got to pack up. Only got to pack up the tent really, and then get to the west branch. Hopefully this should be the last major uphill. I've only eaten a mandarin since breakfast. So I'm slowly getting hungrier. Had 5 litres of I haven't drank 5 litres, but I've got plenty of water. Just get in. Grab some water from the water tank here. It's rainwater straight from the tank, so I've been drinking it. It's fine by me. You should treat it by what they say, but well, to me it's just tank water. Yep, and you could get sick, but anyway. When you're out of time, you don't have a lot of hurry, and I don't have a water filter to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 litres I just got then. To boil that takes, and then to cool it down takes, it'll be about 4 hours. So anyway, that's a risk I take. A little bit of a roller coaster just to get out of this bit. It's mostly downhill, but mostly. Sand slows you down, even when it's downhill. They're not too phased. Guess they see a few humans out here. How many on push bikes, I can't imagine. Sun's getting towards the horizon. And these roads take longer than you ever expect. Doesn't look far on the map. Sandy and uphill. The apostle birds. I think I'm hitting the wall. Sandy and uphill. Takes it out of you. Fresh dingo marks on the road. It's sending quite a bit. It's good because I want to get there, but never been here before to this place. All new discovery. Roll, roll, roll. But this is the campsite. Yippee, yippee, yay, yay. Alright, sun's really about to set.